If you had an opportunity to pick one artist to come at Lobina Golona, o ka kgetha mang? Daliwonga. What's your favorite Daliwonga song?
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
Yeah, Limek.
Limek. One favorite Limek song?
Epasin.
Kupela Mpinela.
Makakhonubi.
Awubi no kay rap akere.
Lengoma. Escoopy. Inkhumbuzelo kishit. Iyasho empatit. Awubheke nonjunje empatit.
Zanga. Okay, fair. So say, let's say for instance, you and I are an item, abo. And I take care of everything. I even take care of you, but then I cheat on you. Would you leave me or give it one shot? Why?
For this, ukidule for like kakhuyetsa dilo tse snacks kidule le chelete.
But I take care of you and I take care of everything.
I mean,
one mistake. Many fish in the sea. But that one opportunity. I get against a mistake. So
I said only one, maybe we'll go picture.
We crack.
So manje wangthwa never kito do that until the job.
So umbotsa re na ntse ke le busy le wena so ke ipotsa re we are in a relationship wena o na le motho 5 on the side. You
don't know about ma 2004 5 6 why batho bale mona ya bone someone a creeper.
So right now how many do you have?
I know ke something ke relax it. Ashimana kusana tabalibona.
Spoken like a legend, bro.
Saretsa dipari a re bana ba hao sa totketsa ngwana o lokile iso wena a ba loka at all.
Okay, please translate this for me, ne? Na ke tlo itshwara Sotho. Ke kopela wena o itshwara Sekgowa. Pula in metsi.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Hey, wow. The rain has poured me.
Before it's all, like, what is your love language?
Physical touch, affiliation, something like that.
Okay. 3 red flags in a gent.
Mshimano logang ke kasla ne le speed.
We crack.
Mshimano ipatlang everywhere. And then na le mshimano le skusku ke shapuka vibe.
What is a skusku?
Ay, bashiman baba ya pakang man shawa.
Would you say I'm a skusku?
Not ila asa na le skusku like makawa babang mababona nke.
Alright.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Okay, tla re kwale word of the day.
Guys, clap out tshwanele nna.
Is you Django?
Awukhonahali shem.